Superintendent of the Division of Misamis Oriental, represented by Dr. Rodora L. Galiares, ETS2 and SGOD member, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation and moving up of the school year 2023-2024, of whom 40 are male, 36 are female, a total of 76 grade 12 learners, and 79 male, 54 are female, a total of 103 learners who have satisfactorily completed the requirements of K-12 basic education, senior high school level, and junior high school level of the Department of Education.
By virtue of the authority vested upon me by the school's division superintendent of the Department of Education, Division of Misamis Oriental, Dr. Gilberto L. Opinario Sesofay, and with the presentation and certification made by your school principal, Madam Lourdes C. Villadores, that you have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of the K-12 basic education curriculum for junior high school and senior high school of the Republic of the Philippines. I now confirm you senior high school graduates and junior high school completers of Rosario National High School for school year 2023-2024. Congratulations and God bless everyone. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.